Hi, Marley here, and welcome to the DIY Floral Design Studio, Marliesflowers.ca, helping you to discover your flower power to DIY with a professional eye. You can do it. I'm so happy and grateful that you're joining me today. Welcome in. For all those who are new, hi, and for those who are returning, hey. Please do not hesitate to give me a little thumbs up, drop a comment, share a video, say hi Marley. Let me know what you're thinking, okay? Okay. All right, I will let you know that currently I do not have a website, nor will I be soliciting you for any funds or services. My DIY Bloomprints Floral Consultations will be open next month. So if you're doing your own DIY wedding, event, or celebration, and you need some direction with flowers in terms of arrangements, you need tips, you need floral care, you need floral recipes, holler at your girl. I got you. All right. So with the housekeeping out the way, so let's get started. Today I decided that we'd take a beautiful nature walk together. So you get to see all the pretty things that help ground my energy so that when I have to be creative, I have that nice flow. Okay. I don't know how you like to unwind, but I love to walk. That's how I unwind. Okay. And nature, this is my spot. As a child, I could possibly live in the park. As an adult, I could live in the park, but there's a few things that, I'd have to adjust to. Okay. So today we're going to take a beautiful nature walk. So let's get walking. Wow. Thank you so much for your time today. I certainly enjoyed my time with you. I hope you enjoyed your time with me. Please don't hesitate to give me a thumbs up, drop a comment, say hi, Marley. Remember, my books are still on sale, available on Amazon. So Bows is available, Flower Care, and My Canadian Planner. If you're looking for a journal or a planner, go ahead and grab yourself a copy. I will let you know again that I will see you again on the 15th for more tutorials on flower care. So please join me again. Also, my shorts will continue to run, so please check out some of my shorts. All those who have been watching them and engaging with them, thank you so much. I do appreciate it. And yeah, thank you for your time today. You have a wonderful day from Marliesflowers.ca. Ciao.